Hi there, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own cup of hot cocoa independently, meaning on your own. All right, you were sent home with a few materials to help you with this. You have a cup, you have a packet of your hot cocoa mix, and you have some marshmallows to top it with. This is our very last step. You're going to need a couple of things from your house that I couldn't send home with you. One is a spoon for mixing. And you're going to need another cup to put some water in. Now this cup, I have put water in about up to here. If you can take a peek, you can see the water is in there. My water is not warm enough just yet to make hot cocoa. So the first thing we need to do is prepare our cup for when our water is warm. So very carefully, you'll see on your packet, it says tear here. There's a little bit of a perforated line, that's what that's called, and you can tear across the top to carefully open up your packet. Let's take a peek inside. You can see the cocoa and the sugar in there all mixed up and ready for us. So what I'm going to do is pour it into my hot cocoa cup, and it looks like that. And now it's ready for mixing. The next step you have to do is to get hot water. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can just use hot water from your tap if it's warm enough for you to make hot cocoa. You can also use a tea kettle in your house if you have an adult that is available to help you warm up your water that way. That's a great way to warm up. And usually when I am serving everyone in our family hot cocoa, I use a tea kettle to make 4 cups at one time. But today we're just making 1. So I'm going to take my coffee mug filled with water over to my microwave to warm it up. And you're going to come along with me. Okay, as you can see, my mug is centered in my microwave. It's time to shut the door. Now I need to make sure I set time to warm up my water. I'm not going to warm it up too hot because I'm not sure how hot I want it. So to start, let's warm it up for 30 seconds. Think about what numbers you need to make 30. I'm gonna say 3 and 0. All right, this says 30 seconds. And then I need to find the start button, which is right here on my microwave. S-T-A-R-T means start. So as soon as I hit that start button, then my microwave is going to start warming up my water. Here we go. Okay, that's telling me my microwaving time is done. I'm going to bring my water over to see how hot it is. All right, boys and girls, that 30 seconds was just enough time to make my water warm enough that when I put my hand over the mug, I can feel a little bit of heat coming from my hot water, which is perfect. I don't want my water too hot because then you know what can happen to your tongue when you drink hot cocoa that is just too hot. All right, what's the next step? What do you think? We need to put our hot water into our cocoa mix and mix it all up. So I have my cocoa mix in here. And here we go. I'm going to very carefully pour until it reaches close to the top. Oh, there's a few drips. That's okay, because that's why we do it at the kitchen counter. Take my spoon and stir it up very carefully. You'll notice I'm not stirring too fast. I don't want to make a mess. But I want to make sure all of my cocoa packet gets mixed in. Cocoa is stirred up, it will look something like this. Can you see? Ooh, a yummy chocolatey treat. Oh, am I forgetting something? Oh, I can't forget the very best part. Time to top it with my marshmallows. They all go swimming in that hot cocoa. I I did it, boys and girls, and you can do it too. Now it's time for a nice, warm, chocolatey treat. I hope you take the time to make your hot cocoa today, maybe after you've had a chance to play outside in the snow. This is a great thing to look forward to when you come in from the cold. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me for this lesson. I will see you next time.